don't know the exact age of someone, we often use the visible appearance to guess the age. You can identify the age by the color of their hair, wrinkles, skin elasticity, and clothing. In addition, it is said that you can roughly identify the age range by examining their teeth. In fact, when archaeologists excavate human remains from relics or ruins, they say that they check the teeth of the bodies to estimate their age. If teeth are one of the factors that indicate age, wouldn't it be possible to make you look younger? Today, I'm going to tell you the secret of looking younger with your teeth. It is said that having a small, round, and slightly short teeth have the effect of looking younger than having long, large teeth. In recent years, along with this trend, more and more people are changing their teeth to be shorter and more round than their original teeth through procedures such as lamination. Young children's teeth are small, white and shiny. As we get older, we eat more foods, and the color gradually turns yellow from the original white color. So if you want your teeth to look younger as you age, you need to pay attention to the color of your teeth. In addition to professional teeth whitening in dentistry, there are many self-contained teeth whitening kits that can be done at home. Since self-tooth whitening is used by non-professionals, the results from the drugs used in the actual dentistry is said to be much better than the ones used at home. Therefore, if you want to change the color of your teeth in a short period of time, you can get your teeth whitened from the dentist, and you can use a self-whitening kit periodically for maintenance at home. It is also important to avoid eating foods that can cause discoloration of your teeth. Smoking by far causes the most discoloration of your teeth, so if you want those white teeth, you'd better quit smoking. When blood circulation to the gum is poor, the gum is inflamed, or substances such as nicotine are accumulated inside the gums. While brushing your teeth, it is important to massage the gums lightly rather than just brushing the teeth part to help blood circulation in the gums. By scaling about once a year, it will help you to prevent inflammation of the gums because it removes dental plaques not only between the teeth but also inside the gum tissue. Well-aligned teeth will also make you look younger. Protruding anterior incisors will give you a lot of stress. However, intruding incisors will also give you stress and make you look older because excessive wrinkles on the lips may appear on a closed mouth when the teeth are slanted inward. In this case, depending on the angle of the tooth, you can correct it using lamination or orthodontics. Today, we looked at 4 secrets to looking younger with your teeth. The most important thing is to keep your teeth clean and healthy. Brush your teeth after every meal, stay away from eating food that adversely affects your teeth, stop smoking, drink water often, and start your gum massage for your healthy teeth. Dio will be with you all the way.